An apartment tour is the very best way that you have to gauge whether the apartment community is going to be a good fit for you. Here are 3 questions that you can ask on the tour that will help you make a better decision. First question, how do you handle emergency maintenance? What is your procedure? This is extremely important because particularly in the Southwest or any apartment community, there are things that typically happen. No community is perfect. You want to know how quickly things will get taken care of. To expect somebody to drop everything and come to you might not be realistic, but you want to know that you're going to get a call back and that they'll give you a time frame in which you can expect somebody to come by, particularly if it is something to do with temperature or a water leak. The second one has to do with pest control. Does the apartment community do pest control? Every location has their own variety of insects that can invade an apartment community. Sometimes those are climate related. For example, there was a time here in Del Rio where we had a lot of rain and suddenly we had little black beetles everywhere. They were a pain in the neck. The apartment community should know if that's a seasonal thing. They should know what to do or how to remedy it or to find the right people for it. You do want to know about pest control. It's going to make your stay in the apartment community much nicer. Sometimes, just so that you're aware, sometimes you have to pay extra for pest control and it's part of your rent. Check with the leasing office before you sign anything to know exactly what you're going to be paying for. The last one is, how long have the apartments been there and how recently have they been remodeled? Newer communities are going to cost more. Communities that are investing in remodeling are going to cost more. So you need to know if that's going to work in your budget. There's no one size fits all for apartment communities, but it's helpful to know how old the community is and to be aware of those things as you're getting ready to move into your apartment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more content like this when it comes out.